Alright, so today we're changing out a pressure pump, which also looks really similar to a vacuum pump. We've already got the hoses pulled off here. Now we're working on the nuts at the base of it to get it pulled off. Alright, so we finally got all the nuts broke loose. Now we just got to get them all backed off enough to pull it off. Sometimes you got to take a screwdriver to the nut to get it turned, because I have to take a lot of stuff apart to get to it if I wasn't going to do that. Now, of course, I will go back with a new nut when I install the new pump. I had to take the screwdriver like this and hit the nut to get it to break loose on there, because I can't get a wrench on it. Now, of course, I'm going to go back with a new nut once I get it off. You want to see what the inside looks like? So this is supposed to be in here. It's got a, what'd you call that piece that connects it? Like a... That's a breaker race. No, but well, if something fails, it'll shear here, from here to here, so it doesn't damage anything in the engine, or, I mean, of course that's already damaged, but it pretty much protects the engine. That's why it's all plastic. And you can see on right here where all that plastic got chewed up. So it's dust and stuff in here. On the actual vacuum pump ones, they'll have cutout sections right here. So you can see this in there. So like if you want to see that it's failed or, you know, sheared here, you can spin the prop and watch it. If it's not moving, then it's done for. It's always spinning, but you know, if it fails internally or whatever, seizes up inside the actual pump, then it'll break that shaft. The wire on this fitting, got a plate that holds it on the back side here. We're gonna go back on with it, and I went ahead and got all new hardware since some of it got a little messed up. Or do you spin that prop a little bit when you get a second? Go a little bit more. Right there.